Good job, Blizzard. That's all I have to say. Um, I mean, still here, but so I was in silvershard mines, and I kind of So what I did was I was jumping off the bridge, and I got blinded by a rogue as I was jumping, and I kind of fell to the map. Um, yeah, I'm alone out here. Kill anybody. Let's do it. Just keep running this way. See what happens while they're doing their shit up there. See, I'm in a BG. I mean, I was killing. I was trying to kill a rogue. I have 0 deaths too. Sweet. I was trying to kill a rogue and kind of fell as soon as he blinded me. So let's just see what happens. Um. So yeah, I'm gonna wait till the end of this. Wait till the end of this. I don't even know if I'm doing anything. So all it shows is the mines. It shows me over here. Yeah, this is all it shows on my map. I just Hey, Stranglethorn Vale, what? Silvershard rises is Stranglethorn Vale? I didn't know that. So we're just gonna run this way. Um, Good job, Blizzard. That's all I have to say, really. Watch me leave Battleground and be stuck here. That would suck. So, I'm right here. I'm above where the mines are. Oh wait, maybe I'm above it. What? Hold on, I'll be right back. Oh, they are above me. What? Alright, guys.